Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add media over to your Wix site. So if you want to add a photo to your Wix site, what you need to do is go to your website right here, and once you've done that you can go to the left side of your screen and click on add elements right here. What you then can do is click on image, and what you need to do is you need to actually select upload images right here. Once you've done that you can simply click on upload from computer, just like this. And then you can select any image you want from your computer. So for example, one of my thumbnails, just like this. I click on open, and then right here at the bottom it says that it's currently loading, and it shouldn't take more than just a few seconds. We can already see that it's now added here over to this Wix panel. And what you can then simply do is click on add to page right here, and it will be added to your page. As you guys can see right here, you can also change some things up, such as you can add a link when you click on it and all those kind of things. But yeah, you can just basically do whatever you want with this image. But yeah, that's all we need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.